Thanks for subscribing, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate everyone who watches these videos. So I know it's been a long time since my last update. I've had a few health and personal issues that I have been and continue to be working through. I find doing a bit of rocketry is definitely helping with that. So just a quick update. I think the last video I talked about doing some builds, and I was planning to start on the King Viper 3 kit. So pleased to say that is now finished, or 99% finished. I just have to add the rail buttons and the recovery gear, like the parachute and tube and all that sort of stuff. But at the moment, it's out being painted. I don't enjoy the painting and sanding process, but I know someone who does enjoy doing that, and I send a few dollars his way. So everybody wins. He's just about finished. Like today, he was due to be finished painting it, so I hope to have it back soon. So I did manage to video every step of the construction, and I've got about 88 gig of video files running for nearly 11 hours, so I'm still debating what I want to do with that. Obviously, I don't necessarily think that uploading 11 hours of video to YouTube, particularly when a lot of it is sanding and mixing epoxy and pouring epoxy, not a lot of interest, I wouldn't imagine, in doing that. And even running it at 10 times speed will still be over an hour build, so I'm weighing out what to do, but I do have all video captured. Things left to do on the King Viper, just pick up some motor adapters. The King Viper has three 54mm motor tubes, and I'll likely just launch it on 38mm motors. So get 3 of those from Endeavour Aerospace, and then save up to buy 3 H motors, 3 small H motors. That's still stand over 1,000 feet, so I'm happy with that. I'm living on a pension at the moment, so it'll take a little while to save up for those. That's the update on the current builds. There's about another 4 or 5 projects in the queue that I'll likely start on soon, so I think that I find those just focusing on the rocketry stuff is a good way to spend my time. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, thank you very much for subscribing. Stay well and keep your head up. Thank you for tuning in.